welcome back to Mrs. Hill Party of Six. It's been a while since we have done a recipe. We took a little time off and have only been doing stories, but we are so glad to be back. And we have some super fun, easy recipes to do with your family. So, to get started, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. You give us a thumbs up. Comment below. We would love to hear from you. I am a mom of four and also a special education teacher, and we have so much fun making videos for everybody. So, okay, we have a peanut butter cookie recipe today, and it's low carb. Low carb, what? And even the kids liked these. So it's so easy. Peanut butter, preferably no sugar added. We are using the Truvia, and this is like a brown sugar stevia sweetened blend, but you can do whatever brown sugar if you don't care that they're low carb.
That's right.
Baking soda, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 egg. We are adding in sugar-free chocolate chips, but you can add in regular chocolate chips or nuts. And then last but not least, thank you, ma'am, vanilla. Super easy. The measurements are really easy. So let's get started. You guys are gonna love these cookies, I promise. They're probably the best low carb cookie that I've ever had. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take 1 block of softened cream cheese, and I just softened it in the microwave for a little bit. 1 egg. Everything goes in the same bowl, so it's so easy. You're gonna do 1 cup of your peanut butter. One cup of peanut butter. You can always double the recipe, and I honestly suggest that you do because they're that good. And I think they come out to about 2 net carbs per serving if you're using sugar-free or no sugar added peanut butter. You're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Cheese and crackers, knees and toes. Here we go. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Can you hand me the vanilla, please? You can hand me the sugar, okay? And we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whoops, that went a little crazy. And then Nora, can you hand me the sugar? Thank you, ma'am. You're gonna do 1 cup of whatever brown sugar sweetener you want. You do not have to do that much. So I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup, and this just reminded me that this is my 1/2 cup measuring scoop. So I need another 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Good thing I noticed that, or else this would have been really off. So a whole cup. And again, you can do a cup of sweetener, but you don't have to. Teaspoon, 1 egg, and then we just mix everything together.
That was so good. I know, Jay. I have to go pick up my car. Don't let big stuff in there. Looks like some good peanut butter. My turn.
What it should look like, and from here you can add in how many chocolate chips you want to add.
Oh, chocolate chips. The more chocolate chips, the better.
Okay, so here's what it looks like with the chocolate chips. Of course, you can leave the chocolate chips out, and we have our baking sheet with parchment paper on it ready to go, and we have the oven on at 350. So we're gonna start scooping these out onto our parchment. moved them over to 2 pans so that I could, because they do spread a little bit. They're pretty big cookies when they're all cooked. So we're going to stick them in the oven at 350 and let them bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. I always like to pull my stuff out a little bit before because I like them soft and they will continue to cook after. So we've got 1 in. Please don't judge my dirty oven. 2 in. I think we'll start at 10. And now for cleanup. Okay, so they already came out and we already bit in. I'm going to try to get it to focus. There we go. Look at the inside. They're so gooey. Oh my gosh, they're so good, you guys. I'm eating them. You guys are going to love them. So, sorry, they're so good. Please comment down below if you try them or if you have any other low carb recipes. I'd love to hear about them. Again, these are only 5 carbs but 2 net carbs depending on the ingredients you use. I left them in for 11 minutes and then you bring them out and let them set. They're going to be a little soft because remember it's cream cheese. But let them set and you have yourself a nice cookie. It's still going to be soft, but you're good to go. All right, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.